Data Science Training in Chennai. Aimore Technologies, Chennai. Navigating Your Journey, a guide to becoming a data scientist. Foundational knowledge. Data science requires a solid foundation in computer science, programming, mathematics, and technology. Proficiency in key tools, such as Python, SQL, and Excel is vital for effective data analysis and manipulation. Education and skill development. Enroll in a data science course or boot camp to deepen your grasp of essential concepts, including data collection, preservation, analysis, modeling, predictive modeling, and visualization. Gain expertise in programming languages like Python, SQL, RStudio Server, and utilize frameworks such as TensorFlow and Apache Mahout. Project-based learning. Advance your skills by engaging in diverse projects incorporating various data types. Develop algorithms, create clear data visualizations, and document each stage of the analysis process. Diversify your portfolio with projects that showcase a wide range of skills and demonstrate your ability to handle different data formats. Data presentation and visualization. Utilize tools like Plotly, Tableau, or PowerBI to craft visually appealing representations of data. Hone your communication skills by presenting findings to diverse audiences. Effective communication is as crucial as technical proficiency in the field of data science. Digital portfolio. Build a comprehensive digital portfolio showcasing your education, skills, and diverse projects. Publish your work on platforms like GitHub, providing background and context for each project. Tailor your portfolio to align with your career goals, creating a captivating narrative that highlights your concrete contributions to the field of data science.